Hi, my name is Harry Dierge. I'm from LuxYours, and today I talk about our collaboration with HP. We have here one example made from TPU, which is finished by our vapor smoothing technology. You see here another example. We see here lattice, MJF, multi-jet fusion. This is the part after printing, and MPS is our multi-purpose uh, process, how it looks after the smoothing. Another material, except TPU, is polyamide, polyamide 12, polyamide 11. We see here several examples. There's a very nice application from one of our customers, Framework Robotics. They are making underwater robots. They can go down 6,000 meters below sea level, and 95% of the parts are built by the multi-jet fusion process. And after that, finished with our vapor smoothing technology. Yeah, we look forward to more parts, to more applications that we can develop with this technology and with the collaboration with HP. Thank you.